To get the most out of your Santander savings account, it is essential to follow best practices that help you manage your finances effectively. First, understand the different types of savings accounts offered by Santander, such as the Santander Savings Account and the Santander Money Market Savings Account. Each account has its own set of benefits and requirements, so choose the one that best fits your financial goals. Next, set a budget and determine how much you can realistically save each month. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. You can also take advantage of mobile banking to monitor your account activity, transfer funds, and receive account alerts. Another key concept is to avoid unnecessary fees. Santander charges fees for certain services, such as overdrafts, ATM withdrawals, and account maintenance. To avoid these fees, make sure to keep a minimum balance in your account, use in-network ATMs, and do not overdraft your account. In addition, consider the interest rates offered by Santander savings accounts. While the rates may not be the highest, they can still help your savings grow over time. To maximize your interest earnings, keep a higher balance in your account and consider opening a savings account with a higher interest rate. Finally, prioritize security and safety when managing your Santander savings account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your Santander savings account and achieve your financial goals.